Hello, people. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. This is welcoming you to another lesson in our series, Complete WordPress Web Development Tutorial, this year 2023. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create posts in WordPress. Now you need to have followed us all the way from the beginning, lesson 1, before you can actually watch this particular video. So if you have not done that, please check on our channel, start from lesson 1 before you can get to this point. Now, if today is the very first time stumbling upon a video, like, subscribe, comment, and of course turn on the notification so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the very first to know. Now, if you have your system well set up, get ready so we can start together. If you are ready, let's dive right in. Okay guys, find your way to WordPress login page. Supply your username and password, click login. It will take you to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. So you scroll down on the left side to posts. Now under post you have some options, but click on the one that says add new. When you click, it takes you to this place. This is where you are going to be creating all your posts. That is the title. You can actually type or choose a block if you want to design. That is the button you can use to add all manner of widgets, from paragraph widgets to heading to image to quote to list to gallery. All of these serve as like they are like widgets. Okay, we will explain further. So here you have the categories. Here you can add tags. Here you can set the featured image and write an excerpt, and of course the conversation that happens when you make any posts. So without further ado, let's start with the title. So what I do normally is to prepare my content somewhere. So in this case, I have my Word document from where I will copy my content straight to my site. So first off, I will give it a title, and the title for this particular post will be what is natural health and wellness. So what you do is when you type out the title, you can actually post the title if you want. So in this case, I'm typing the title and posting the content under it, like so you can see. So but if you want to type, you can type. If you want to use block to design, you can also do. So toggle it to post. So we can do a bit of setting. Notice the layout types. There are like 5 of them depending on the template. Some having sidebars to the left, some to the right, some doesn't have at all. So we use the default. So immediately when you're done, just let's set the default template. So you click on default template. There's a drop down, select the one you're going to use. For this case, I'm using theme. So after that, there's still another setting, that is the post format. So on the post format, you can decide to choose any format here. It could be an aside, it could be audio, it could be chat, but standard is okay. So you keep it as standard. The author, admin, but if you have other users, you can also select that from the drop down. So here you select the categories. There's a video showing you how to create categories. Make sure you watch that video. So select categories here and then keep scrolling down, and here you are going to add the tag. So the tag is very, very important because the search engines index your site using these tags. So if your keywords are rich, they are relevant, they are SEO relevant, search engines will index. So I'm just going to add 2. You can use the same format I'm using now, the same method, to add as many keywords as add tags as you like. Remember to use commas to separate. So click on featured image. So it takes you here. So there are 3 ways you can add image. First, you can download. Second one, you can use from the media library, and you can use the free image. So in this case, I'm using upload from your system. So when you click upload, it takes you here. You select file, and then it takes you to your system. Select the particular photo you want to use, and it uploads straight into your media library. So here, this image, the dimensions are specified. In this case, is 500 by 300. You can actually delete the image if you want. You can edit it. This is an alternative text. So in this case, I will just say the image. So what happens is, if your image doesn't load for whatever reason, this text will first of all appear to give the user an idea of what was there. So put an appropriate title here, the caption and description. Then this is the URL for that image. Once you are set, just click set featured image and it loads here. So you can see that is the featured image sitting pretty right there. So if you scroll down, this is where you write the excerpt. Excerpt is just like a brief intro. So what I usually do is to copy my first paragraph like so, and then paste it right where you have the excerpt box like so. Okay, so every other setting is okay for the discussion. You want people to comment when you post and ping backs and track backs also to give your post some level of popularity. So once you are satisfied, just click publish and then another publish like that. So you can see below to the left side your post is published. You can view it from here, but I prefer to view mine up there. So right click and open it in another tab. Let's see how it looks. Beautiful. This is how the very first post you have created looks like. Beautiful. That is the featured image sitting on top, the title, and of course the text, the body of the content, very well arranged. So that is how you create. So I'm just going to create another post. You can create add post. I will just do it quickly and show you another tip. So you notice when I posted this particular content, there's a block on it, the block I explained when we started this particular lesson. So it understands that this is a numbered list. So you can see, you can decide to use these options to change. For instance, this is bullet. I can use this, and I'll switch it back to numbering. So WordPress already knows. Okay, so we move to other settings. So the template, in this case, I will use the theme, and I want it to stick to the top of the block, so you can check that box if that's what you want. The post format standard is good. And then categories, so you can actually add more than one category for any particular post. So in this case, I leave it at uncategorized, and I won't add no tags at all. So for the featured image, I'm going to use the second method, which is to use the image from the media library. So from the media library, I think I like this particular image. So click on it and then just click set featured image, and just like so, the featured image will fit in where it should. So for the excerpt, still repeat the same thing. Copy the first paragraph. You can decide to type in something else if that's what works for you, and post it right here. Copy and paste it right where the excerpt is. So the other settings are okay. So just click on publish. So when you click on publish, click another publish, and your post is ready for viewing. So let's open it from here and see how that particular post looks. Beautiful. This is how it looks. And now the way it looks depends on the template. This is how this template is designed. So the featured image sits on top of the content, and the formatting, if you are copying it from somewhere else, when you bring it into WordPress, it identifies it real quick, and you can do a whole lot of things. So take time out to explore this. So these are the number of pages that we've created. You can see the page title, the author, the category, the dates published, the total number of views, and just like so. So all the posts you will create will appear in this part of your dashboard. Okay, so I think we have exhausted that. That is as far as creating posts in WordPress goes. So take time out to try out different methods, to try out different designs. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.